Shabbos Yud Ches Cheshvan Tashim Vav, and the Rebbe by Haftarah, after the first brachas before Haftarah, they were slowly and deliberately pulled down the talus. From where I was standing on the floor, it looked like the talus was going all the way to the bima. I can't be sure because the Rebbe read from inside. But the Rebbe pulled the talus all the way down. You could not see his face.
Hey, who left this over here?
And the Rebbe started to say the Haftarah.
Who left this over here?
A little louder and a little slower than regular. Vaša, Achas, Lehanvigim, Zako, Lelisho, There's a Pasha saying slowly. I remember some psukim here and there. When I say the Haftarah, I remind myself something. Different parts of the Haftarah, way they have said it. And I thought to myself, I remind myself a story in Sipur Chassidim that one of the Talmidim of the Chayze heard the Chayze being Meirich, one of the Psukim, the Musaf, Rosh Hashanah, and he told his friends what Pasuk the Chayze is going to talk about by the Tish that day, and Kachava. And I thought, I remind myself that story, and I thought to myself, the way the Rebbe is saying the Haftarah, Mistama, is going to be a Fabrenga today. The Poyel, there was no Fabrenga. But the next night, Sunday night, and one of the Sichas, the Rebbe starts with the Sicha, and the Shabbos, the Azlina Minay, so the Shabbos, the name is Baruch Kol Yemin, so the Hebt sich an Haftarah, Vaša, Achas, Vashem Ne'avim, and the Rebbe said the Maimer, you do a Leiwa Zeicha, Tafshin Nun, the Rebbe's Magia, the Maimer. So then, I said, now I felt like I understood why the Rebbe was Meirich so much in this Haftarah. And that was in Lakut Sichas Chelek Hey, the Sicha from Vayera Tafshin Chafei, which is Mug over there. You also see another Nusach of the same Maimer from the Alter Rebbe, which the Rebbe was talking about this thing.